Hello everybody, Bruce here with a super short video on how to change the size of the font in the terminal in Visual Studio Code. So I have this really simple 5-line program, Hello World, and on the bottom you can see I have the terminal open, and when I run it, if I do run Python file and terminal, you can see the output down there. There it is. Hello World is super tiny. So how do you get that to be larger? Well, you go into the preferences. I'm on a Mac. You can find the preferences, I believe, on a PC in the file menu. On a Mac, they're in the code preferences settings. So I'm going to type in here terminal, and you can see I'll hit enter there. You don't even need to. Actually, it's terminal font. Okay, and there it is. See, it says 12. Okay, 12. So I'm going to make it 50 because my vision is not so good. So 50 is good. So if I run this program again, you can see now I have a much larger font in the terminal. So there you go. In fact, let me just fire up Visual Studio Code on a PC so you can see where it is on a PC. It should only take a second here. Let me just fire it up. I'm firing up my virtual machine on my Mac. It's almost done. And let's launch Visual Studio Code. And let's go to see something else I was probably working on. File, right? File, there it is, File, Preferences, Settings. Okay, and let's do the same thing here. Let's type in terminal font. You don't need to type enter, and there it is. See, it was 14. I'm going to make it 50. Don't need to do save anything. Go back here. Let me just create a new program, and I'm just going to say print. Hi, Mom. And I'm going to save it as mom.py. And then I'm going to right click, run Python file and terminal, and there it is. It's nice and large. All right. I hope this video helps. Got questions? You know where to find me.